Window shopping isn't what it used to be. Times are changing. An online presence is now important for any business to make sure it doesn't get left behind. Meet Ivor. He runs a family business that has been on the main street for years. But not as many people have been coming to his store recently, and business is slow. Like many of us, Ivor has found the technological revolution a bit crazy. He knows that he probably needs a website to help his business, but doesn't really know where to start. According to the e-commerce foundation, 88% of consumers will research product information on the internet before they make a purchase online or in the store. This buying behavior trend emphasizes the importance of a website for today's businesses. Luckily, this course will help you create your virtual shop window, and by following the advice within, you'll master the global world of cyberspace to keep your business in line with our ever-changing shopping habits. It will cover how to make your website stand out, how to direct people to your site, how to use your site to grow your business. Every business, whether you're selling a physical product or a service, can benefit from having a great website. So get buckled up and ready to launch into cyberspace.